The global healthcare system is under strain due to an aging population, limited resources, and chronic diseases which require long-term care. We need to make healthcare smarter to cope with these increasing pressures. Engineering research into advanced healthcare technologies is the key to unlocking a brighter and healthier future.
The world is facing an increase in chronic diseases, and this requires more advanced medical treatments. Engineering research into quantum sensors has the potential to revolutionize the way we detect and treat diseases, such as Parkinson's, heart disease, cancer, and obesity.
We're pushing the boundaries of embedding smart sensor technology in medical devices. Our research in partnership with Derby Hospital is looking at how smart dressings can sense whether a wound is healing well or whether it has become infected. The sensor is as thin as a human hair and so is virtually unnoticeable to the patient and will alert clinicians when someone needs extra treatment, helping to reduce the number of amputations.
We've created special sensors made out of diamonds that can detect tiny signals in the body. These sensors are often 1 million times better than traditional sensors and can detect free radicals, basically unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells if there are too many of them. By detecting these free radicals quickly and accurately, we can better understand how they affect our health and develop new treatments. Such research is offering hope to those currently suffering from medical conditions.
I encourage people to embrace and adopt new technology to support better health. Technology will not replace doctors, nurses and care workers, but it will help them do their jobs more effectively.
Quantum technology is the future, but it might feel a long way from many people's reality. I'd encourage everyone to take an interest and be curious. It doesn't have to be too complicated or hard to understand.